So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing the what's in your wallet challenge where I just share some of the current credit cards that I keep in my credit card lineup, and I'm gonna just explain some of the reasons why. Also, I'm gonna just be sharing some recent updates on some of the credit videos that we've posted. Truist just recently dropped their pre-qualification site. Now, I did walk through that particular application. So one of the things I wanted to clarify was that you actually may not get a hard pull at all. So I was going through some of the other data points. I went on my FICO as well as just some of the comments in the comment section. Some people were saying that they didn't get a hard pull whatsoever. So I wanted to see if this was actually true. So I can confirm based on my personal data points of going through the application, the pre-qualification, and accepting the credit card offer, I was actually able to get approved for a Truist credit card. So the Enjoy Beyond credit card with absolutely no hard credit check. In fact, I went through the application process again and got approved for a second Truist credit card. I just wanted to clarify, even though the verbiage does state that it may affect your credit if you do accept, I was actually able to get through without a hard pull. Now, that might not be the case with everyone. So I would just say going in, just expect to get hard pulled. But if you don't get hard pulled, then that's just an added bonus. The next update I wanted to share was in regards to the GM credit card pre-qualification. So this is another situation where you could potentially get a credit card without getting hard pulled. So just to kind of clarify what some people have actually done, they went through the pre-qualification and they were actually able to get an offer. I did walk through that in a video where I was actually able to get an $8,000 offer. But then at that point, once you get the offer, what some users were doing was logging into TransUnion and then freezing their credit report and then accepting the offer. And they were able to do that without getting a hard inquiry. Now, lots of people have also done this with the Apple card, which is also ran by Goldman Sachs. So Apple as well as GM are both underwritten by Goldman Sachs. So they're going to be using your TransUnion credit report in order to qualify you. So it's very similar process. They'll give you an offer. If you do accept an offer, then it will be a hard pull. However, some people were able to get an offer, freeze their credit report on TransUnion, accept the offer, and then get approved without a hard inquiry. So the next update I wanted to share was in regards to the NIH FCU Visa Signature Credit Card. So I did a video on how you can get the NIH FCU business credit card with no hard inquiry. So I was finally able to get the NIH FCU credit card in the mail. So nothing too special, just a regular plastic credit card. But again, this is 0% for 15 months. Now, I know some people were complaining like, hey, it's a lot of paperwork. It's only 3 PDFs that you have to sign and email back to one of the representatives. And from what I've seen, it looks like most everyone is starting off with a $5,000 credit limit, and you could potentially increase the credit limit over time depending on your relationship with NIH FCU. It's not really that much documentation or even that much underwriting that they're undergoing in order to qualify you. Basically, if your business is registered and they can verify all your information, it seems like it's a pretty straightforward process to getting approved. And this is a revolving Visa business credit card. So it's not like a fintech where you have to pay it off in full every single month. You can actually revolve a balance. And again, 0% APR for 15 months. So you're not paying any interest for 15 months. Now, I get it. $5,000 is not a very high credit limit. But again, they're not hard pulling your credit whatsoever. So definitely check it out. I've dropped a link for the video. Now, I was actually surprised because I was actually able to get approved for 2 NIH business Visa credit cards. So I'm logged into my online banking with NIH FCU. Now, as you can see right here, you have 2 different Visa business rewards credit cards, neither of which was a hard pull. And both of them are just for $5,000, 0% APR for 15 months. Around here, it's very competitive in terms of which credit cards I can keep, because obviously I can't carry all of my credit cards in my wallet at any given time. So I'm going to share with you the credit cards that I currently keep in my wallet. Now, like I said, I just got this Truist credit card. So it does have a 30,000 point bonus offer. So this is one that I'm going to keep in my wallet for the next couple of months until I hit that 30,000 point bonus offer. Now, one of the other personal credit cards that I've kept in my wallet for the past couple of months has been the BlockFi Visa credit card. Now, this is becoming one of my favorite credit cards because you can redeem the points for different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other different crypto assets. So the way it works is that you can redeem the points that you accrue, just like with any other credit card. You spend on it, you earn points, but at the end of the statement cycle, you can redeem those points for different crypto assets. So this is definitely a credit card that I'm probably going to keep planted in my wallet for the foreseeable future. Definitely one of the best credit cards in my opinion. Next up, we have the Goldman Sachs Apple Card. And honestly, I use this more online than actually swiping the card. I just really like the fact that it's metal, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty basic credit card. Another personal credit card that I keep in my wallet, especially for January, February, March, is going to be the Discover It Cashback Card. Now, typically, I use the American Express Blue Cash Preferred for groceries because it gives me 6% on up to $6,000 every single year. But because of the Discover 5% cash back rotating category for January, February, March, I'm going to be using this a lot more just during this period. And then after the quarter ends, I'll just switch back to the 6%. So this earns 5% on groceries for January, February, March. So then after March is over, then I'm going to switch back to the American Express Blue Cash Preferred, which earns 6% cash back. And yeah, it's fine because I'm probably going to spend over $6,000 anyways in groceries this year. So I'm going to maximize all of the points from both credit cards. But if I were to continue to use the American Express Blue Cash Preferred right now, then I won't be able to take advantage of the 5% rotating category. So that's one of the things that I always think about when I keep different credit cards is how I'm going to actually be spending, right? So I want to maximize the points based on the categories of spend. The next credit card that I keep in my wallet right now is the American Express Platinum credit card. And I'll be honest, I don't really even use this credit card. I probably haven't used this credit card in several months. The Platinum card, I would say, is really going to be for travel. So if you're traveling a lot, then you may find some utility in the Platinum card. So let me know what you guys think. Should I close out the Platinum card? I really don't have any use for it. The next credit card that I keep in my wallet right now is the H.M. Bradley MasterCard. Now, I don't really use this card as much either. It has a 3-2-1 cashback category. So you get 3% on your highest spend category for the month, 2% on your second highest, and then 1% on all others. So it can vary depending on what you're actually spending on. So I just keep that just in case there's a particular category. If I'm not maximizing it on my other credit cards, then I'll use the H.M. Bradley. And I just recently got a credit limit increase up to $20,000. So it's a pretty cool credit card. And as of right now, the H.M. Bradley MasterCard does not report to any bureaus. Now, I'm not sure if that's because it's just a limited amount of people who actually have the card or if they're waiting to get their data furnishing in place, but right now it's a hidden trade line. Now, I don't expect that to persist forever. Just like with the Apple card, a lot of people who got that initially, it didn't report for probably the first 4 to 5 months, and then it started to report. So for the time being, it's pretty much like a hidden trade line, the H.M. Bradley MasterCards. The next credit card that I keep in my wallet is going to be the BB&T business credit card. Now, this is actually now Truist, but the reason why I keep that in is just for business expenses. So I don't know if I'm out one day, I need to go to Best Buy or, Micro Center, one of these other stores and, purchase things on business, then I just keep that. And that's the one that always stays in my wallet. The next credit card that's in my wallet is the Nassau Federal Credit Union Visa Signature Credit Card. I've only used this credit card like once within the past 7 months since I got it. And this is probably a credit card that I'll probably take out of my wallet. The rewards aren't that great. So that's probably one that's going to make it to the sock drawer. So the next credit card that I keep in my wallet is actually a recent approval and is in fact the highest credit limit that I have across any credit card. So that's going to be the Brex MasterCard. I haven't actually used this yet, but I will keep this in my wallet. Now, usually when I get a new credit card, I try to use that a lot more just to get a lot of usage out of it or to maximize on any introductory bonus offers. Now, the last credit card, and this is probably my favorite credit card for the past couple of months, is going to be the Carrot card. So Carrot Card is a business credit card. It's designed for social media influencers, or at least that's the way they market it. I think eventually they will open it up to the general public, but this works more like a charge card. So what I really like about the Carrot Card is that it has a ton of great rewards, and they have a concierge service where they'll basically send you text messages on, just random bonus offers, right? This could be, if you spend $2,000 for the rest of the month, we'll give you a $200 statement credit or $300 statement credit. So I've been able to accrue a lot of statement credit through the Carrot Card. This has a ton of great perks. If you are able to get approved for it, I definitely recommend this card. And the Carrot Card is probably the nicest looking card. It's an all black metal card, and it is customized. So it's laser engraved with your logo or your business name. And it's the heaviest, thickest metal card. It actually makes the Apple Card feel a little flimsy. I did a comparison not too long ago. So the Carrot Card and the Apple Card, like I thought the Apple Card was pretty hefty. So that's the Apple Card, but the Carrot Card is on a whole nother level, right? So I really do like the Carrot Card, probably my favorite card right now. And it's just a cool card to just, pull out. It starts a lot of conversation. So, but with any credit card, one thing you want to look into is how you could actually maximize it to earn rewards, to earn cash back, to earn introductory bonus offers. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section right down below. Till next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.